The reconstitution of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC) is once again a subject of conversation in the country as legality issues arise. A court order is in place, with petitioners seeking to stop the swearing in and gazettement of the nominees, leaving the National Assembly balancing between independence and legality. The Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, has however stressed the independence of the August House, directing the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee to go ahead with the vetting process.
I direct the Committee on JLAC to proceed without haste and vet the nominees for chairman and members of IEBC and bring the report to this House.
His direction follows a ruling by the judiciary through Justice Lawrence Mugambi that allowed for the vetting to continue but halted the swearing in and gazettement of the nominees until the petition filed by two Kenyans is heard and determined.
Pending the hearing and termination of this petition, a conservatory order is hereby issued forbidding and/or preventing the gazettement, taking of oath, or assuming of office by the interested parties, namely Erastus Edung Ethekon.
Wetangula stated clearly that the House he leads is independent.
But for avoidance of doubt, nobody, and I repeat, nobody, has the power under any law or under our Constitution to injunct Parliament from doing its work.
The petitions in court have thrown the two arms of government into a constitutional battle, with accusations of institutional overreach directed at the judiciary.
We discourage and we frown at any overreach by any arm of government on the other arm, especially on matters that are legally clear, constitutionally clear, and morally untenable.
The bone of contention stems from a petition filed by two Kenyans through Senior Counsel Paul Muite and Douglas Otieno, challenging the legality of the selection process. Justice Mugambi has referred the matter to Chief Justice Martha Koome for empanelment of a bench, emphasizing that the concerns must be fully addressed before formal appointments can proceed. This dispute is now pitting the judiciary and the legislative arm of government at loggerheads, with the battle for independence becoming a key point of debate on the floor of the House.
You cannot injunct Parliament from doing their constitutional mandate, Mr. Speaker, under Article 95 and 96. Because even us, we cannot legislate on a matter that is before a court of law. We have to wait until the court concludes it is the matter in one way or the other. Then from there is when we can legislate.
The future of the poll body, if the nominees are approved, now hangs in the balance. Erastus Ethekon Edung is proposed as chairperson, with Anne Njerin Deritu, Moses Alutalala Muhwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Adhiambo Adwol, and Fahima Arafat Abdallah nominated as commissioners.